Have you ever thought of growing your own medicinal herbs at home? Imagine the convenience of having healing plants right at your fingertips and the cost-effectiveness of this therapeutic hobby. The process of growing medicinal herbs at home is surprisingly simple, even if you're a beginner. The first step is picking the right herbs for your medicinal garden. Consider easy-to-grow varieties like peppermint for digestion, chamomile for relaxation, and lemon balm for mood enhancement. Understanding their medicinal properties is key. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get planting. Planting your chosen herbs is a breeze with a few simple steps. Start by preparing a fertile soil. Next, plant your seeds, ensuring they're spaced apart. Water them, but not too much. Regular maintenance keeps them thriving. With consistent care, you'll soon see your plants begin to grow. The final step, and arguably the most rewarding, is harvesting and using your medicinal herbs. Look for full, vibrant leaves as a sign they're ready. Snip gently, leaving the plant healthy. Use your bounty in teas or spice up your cooking. And there you have it, your very own homegrown medicinal herbs. Growing medicinal herbs at home is not just a fun hobby, but also a practical way to have a constant supply of natural remedies at your disposal. To recap, choose your herbs, plant them, and then harvest. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.